friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm here to show you how to play the F major scale. So first off, I'm just going to go through and demonstrate how to play the F major scale, both 1 and 2 octave hands together. For those of you who would like a more detailed and deeper dive into the F major scale, hang on for just a second and I'm going to take us through how to play the F major scale both 1 and 2 octaves, hands together and separately. But let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like 1 octave. Here's the F major scale. Now here's 2 octaves. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching my video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. So the first thing we need to know about the key of F and the F major scale is that it has 1 flat, B flat. So let me just go ahead and take you through the letter names of the right hand, and they are as follows: F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. Now let's look at the right hand fingers. 1, 2, 3. We're going to put our 4 on B flat. Then we're going to take our thumb and tuck it under to C. And then 2, 3. We end on 4. Notice we're not using our 5th finger at all in this scale for the right hand. Back down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure you cross your 4th finger all the way over to the B flat without popping out your elbow. Keep your wrist and your hand nice and parallel with the piano. 4th finger goes on B flat. 3, 2, 1. All right, let's take a look at the left hand. Now the left hand has the same notes, so I'm just going to go through the finger numbers. They are as follows: 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to cross 3, 2, 1. On the way back down, 1, 2, 3. Tuck your thumb under to C, again without turning your elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now when we put hands together on the scale, you're going to notice that our thumbs are going to play at the same time. Not a lot of scales do that. This scale does do that. And also, as we notice, the right hand is going to end on 4 and does not use the 5th finger. The left hand will be using all 5 fingers. So this is what it looks like, hands together, 1 octave. F, G, A, B flat. Both thumbs go on C. Cross your 3rd finger in your left hand. Notice that your right hand is using 2. D, E. Again, the left hand ended on 4 here on the F. Back down. F, E, D. Both thumbs go on C. Now our right hand is going to cross our 4th finger over all the way over to this B flat. Our left hand is 2 on B flat. B flat, A, G, F. Here it is a little smoother. To make this 2 octaves, we're still going to be using the same fingering that we used in the 1st octave. So I think the biggest thing to remember when you're doing 2 octaves is to know where your thumbs land. And then if you have any crossing over, thinking about, there sometimes can be things that can help you to remember what to cross. So in this case, remembering that both our thumbs are going to be landing on all the F's and C's will be super helpful. On the way down, you want to remember that your right hand 4th finger is going to go on B flat. That's where a lot of times people will have trouble because that feels awkward. Often we cross our 3rd finger, but in this case, remembering to put your 4th finger on B flat will be good. And then on the next place that you turn, you're crossing your 3. So 4 goes on B flat, 3 goes on E. That's where I would really kind of pay attention on that. So let's put it together 2 octaves. This is what it's going to look like. So F, G, A, B flat, both thumbs on C, left hand crosses 3 to D, E, both thumbs on F. cross your left hand 4 to G, A, B flat, both thumbs on C, cross 3 to D, E, F. And again, notice right hand did not use the 5 at all. We ended on 4. Okay, on our way back down, we're going to be F, E, D, both thumbs on C. Now here, left hand 2 is on B flat. Remember, we're crossing our 4 to B flat in our right hand. B flat, A, G. Both of our thumbs are going to play F. Then our right hand crosses 3 to E, D, both thumbs on C. Again, fourth finger on B flat, A, G, F. Here, I'll do it a little smoother, 2 octaves. There you have it. That's how you play the F major scale 1 and 2 octaves. If you found this video at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I will see you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.